What's up, guys? If you're like me, you like upgrading your car, whether it's suspension parts or go fast parts for the engine, or even aesthetic parts that change the look of the car, make it more custom for you, make it fit the style of your build you're trying to do. And that's what I've got here. Is I've got another part that I'm going to be upgrading on my car, new custom part that I want to put in. It's a shift boot trim ring that's just a little upgrade, just something a little more to make the car a little more custom, something that fits my style, something that I want to do. And I like doing these kinds of upgrades on my car. It keeps me connected with the car, keeps me wrenching on it, keeps me doing stuff, always looking for something to just make little improvements. And this little guy right here is my next improvement. And where this part goes, it's going to be the trim ring that goes around the shift boot that I've got here. I've just got a generic chrome unit now, but I want to make something that's a little more custom, something that fits my style, so I want to make that upgrade. Let me just slide this over the top, you get an idea of what that would look like. And it utilizes the same 4 mounting points as the existing trim ring, so it's going to make an easy fit for what I've got going on here. So in this trim ring kit, you get the aluminum, 6061 aluminum CNC part that's just a raw finish, and I like that kind of look. You get some fasteners to go with it. But if you didn't want the raw aluminum, what if you wanted something more stealth, something that would blend with a darker interior? And I've also got a black one here. This is powder coated black, same material, same cut. It just has the powder coat black on there, and then you get some black fasteners to go with it. And this whole system, what's great about it is it bolts into what is kind of a standard, what is it, 5.5 inch by 6 1/4, whatever the bolt size is, for the traditional kind of generic boots that you can get for these cars. And this is something that will fit right on there, and it'll line up with the holes. It's just like I have in the car right now. This is not the most common, but is a common footprint for shifter boots, more of a generic fit that fits a lot of vehicles. This will fit right on there, whether you wanted the raw machined or the powder coated black. You could put either one of them in there, and then you can also have the shifter boot. Now, some of you guys are already familiar that I sell this mounting bracket that mounts to the floor. So you got your bolt holes here when you use like these self-tapping screws to put this in place, and then it has the tapped holes so that it'll align with this setup here, and this sits underneath it like that. And it makes it so that if you ever have to service anything, you're not trying to fight the carpet and remember where the holes were. It's in the same place every single time. It makes it easy for install. So that's another thing that I also have in addition to these is this setup here, but it also works with this. If you were to have this in the car and then you've got your shift boot, then you've got that. Everything all lines up, and it makes it easy to install and service anything inside your car. So installation of the new trim ring is going to be super simple. We're just going to take out the 4 screws, the old ring. Now you can hold on to these screws, but this kit comes with a new set of countersunk screws that are going to fit nicely in this new trim ring. We'll slide this guy over the top. Again, because the holes are in the same place as that base trim piece that I have in here that goes underneath, it's going to make it super simple and easy to just thread this right in. Again, not having to fight the carpet or find where the holes are through the carpet into the sheet metal. And now we got everything threaded in, we can go back and we can just tighten it all up. There, I like that. Oh, that's awesome. So again, it's just a custom look to just jazz up the engine side or the inside of the car a little bit. Just make it just a little nicer than just the standard trim, you know, this chrome ring. I like that. And if you wanted the black one, this is more or less what that would look like. Give you an idea, again, that stealth look, if that's what you want. Cool. Okay, so you're probably wondering, where can you get these parts? I've got them on my website, KruseBuilt.com, and I've got it set up where you can get either just the raw machined aluminum piece like I've got on my car now. You can also order the black powder coated piece for that stealth look. And I also sell the shifter boot that goes with them. You can also select that option if you wanted to have this, a nice new clean boot to go with your new trim ring. And I also sell that lower base plate piece that is designed to bolt to the car and give you the clean install locations for the 4 holes on this, so you're not fighting that carpet. And it's meant to be an easy install. So if you guys want to check that out, KruseBuilt.com, you can get any one of these parts there, upgrade your car and make it custom, and just like I'm trying to do here, trying to make it more for me and make it kind of a unique setup, and that's what I like doing with my car. All right, guys, check it out, KruseBuilt.com.